funny story. I got a call tonight. Oh, hey, my BMW broke down. Come help me change a fuel pump.
Oh, those happen.
I'll come pick you up. So I'm waiting outside my house in my driveway, waiting for a certain person behind me to come get me.
I would like to
And
see a physical quote.
I call him, where are you? Because I was going to be there 15 minutes. And, oh yeah, I'm here. Well, I'm looking outside and I don't see a single person. Oh, no, I'm at the shop. Come drive your car down to help me fix my broken car. This is the friends I have.
It happens to the best of us.
And this is what we have.
We'll try to figure out how to unpin these. Gotta get a smaller one than this.
Yeah, that's perfect. Then it should pull it now. There's 22.
Just make sure it's labeled properly. So see how this says this is brown and this is black, just scribbled, but that's how we know. Brown and black.
Okay. It's like a BMW graveyard in here. Actually, it's kind of fitting. It's got the skull on here. The Reaper's on here for the graveyard of BMWs. Parts car. Drivable car. New parts car. Right. The Porsche over there is definitely a parts car. And then we're going to look at the 7.
So yeah, we have to reuse these terminals, which are still good, but we're gonna have to like they look like they've been soldered or glued or something. Like I don't know how we're gonna fucking make it work, but
this one's the 7. So what happened? You were driving home and it just kind of
lost all fuel, and then it went into neutral, and she would crank but not start, and the fuel pump fuse blew, and the wire was all messed up, which could have caused the fire. So pretty thankful.
Could have been worse.
Pretty thankful where we're at.
Could have been worse. All right, let's see what we can do. Job harness together just to get this car running, and then we'll figure out getting a replacement. Okay, so fuel pump's out. New fuel pump from Amazon, $100. We got our makeshift harness together. 2010 X5. How many times have you done this now?
The third time.
So the first time was what? OEM fuel pump?
2 times.
So you've had 2 BMW fuel pump failures.
Yeah.
So $1,600 in fuel pumps.
No. Last time I changed the transfer pump on the other side as well, just to be safe, because we didn't know what was causing it or what was failing, and I couldn't down this car and needed it for daily use. So
this pump was $800 twice now. And then this one was how much the transfer?
I think it was 900. Transfer was the last time it was like 1,300 for everything.
Canadian, not US.
Canadian, yeah. OEM, but now
Which is like $5 US, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. It's not easy to get out either, is it?
No, they have one terrible, terrible worm gear, and it's literally there's no play. And I think I might have stripped it a bit installing it last time, because what happened was this seal, this ring, traps in with a rubber gasket, traps all the vapor smells in, so that you're not smelling it inside your car, obviously. And I couldn't get it super tight, and then I smelled fuel, so I went back in and cranked it tight. But when I cranked it tight, it stripped it a little bit. It did stop the fuel smell, but
We don't do things perfectly here.
here we are. Yeah. You know what? It's
a little bit of a hack job.
it's discounted at all times.
What are we at? 20% hack now?
It's slightly higher on this one.
So this is like a 40% hack.
not
Most of
trying
our
to-
cars are 30.
I'm not trying to do super amounts of hack on the install, so on the removal, I'm going to see what I can do, but it doesn't look like it's a 7 mil, which is very odd.
So this is not really a DIY. It's more of a just,
A wing in it.
yeah, winging it. This is how we do it. And it's,
We will get it done.
yeah, it might help you out. It might not.
Yeah.
But
But we will be driving this car tonight.
I don't know. I have a car to go home in, so I'm not too worried. But I don't know. So to get to where we are right now, all you've done is take out the seat, take out the cap,
Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the
which
battery.
is in the trunk.
Is in the trunk on this side over here.
Over here.
Disconnected, and then what we did was we checked the fuse. The fuse was blown. That was for the fuel pump. And remove the rear seat base. Then remove the fuel pump cover, and then remove the fuel pump secondary metal cover. And now we're trying to remove the one here, which is slightly stripped.
So fuel pump, the fuses for fuel related on this one are actually 97, 105, and 122. And Scott, they were where, top or bottom?
It was right above the arrow.
Right above the
There's
arrow.
only one in there, right above the arrow that I marked last time.
So last time, because he's done this so many times, there is literally an arrow down here, and that's where it was. So at the bottom, it's one up. So you can tell this is not the first time he's done this. So, you know, we love BMWs, but this is the pain that comes with them. It smells like gas in here.
There's no room to work whatsoever. There are Beamer problems though.
Sustaining. I should have a Beamer with all the problems I have in my
You
cars.
should have. Oh, there it is. Manual connector. There it goes. Got it. Okay.
Manual.
So the crossover tube is done. There's an upper breather, crossover tube, and then there is a connector. It's right here, which connects the crossover tube.
It's hard to see. There's not much room in here.
There's like zero working space.
He's already sweating. I'm just kind of hanging out here.
That's moral support needed. Okay. Okay, they're disconnected.
It all seems very cheap for how, like,
It is very cheap.
for the price of it, and just
It's not rocket science over here, I'll tell you that.
a lot of fuel in there still.
Yeah. Those the two plastic tubes coming across just go in here and tuck down in. They don't actually go into anywhere specifically.
So they're not connected. They just literally push pressure fit in.
Pressure fit in, yeah, and they just tuck down into the fuel.
Look how much fuel's in there.
I'm gonna try and see how the float system works on.
So a lot of the fuel pumps have always, the float always gets stuck trying to pull out of the tank. So when you put it back in, just be careful. If your gauge isn't reading properly, that's probably one of the reasons.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. Everything's
So which one's, okay,
This
that's,
is OEM. This is, I believe, a Chinese replica.
it looks the same.
Looks the same.
Actually, the wire is the same size, actually. Just say wires, same thickness, same gauge. It's kind of funny. $900, $100 Canadian.
Yeah, shipped next day.
Shipped. Is there even a BMW logo on this?
Yeah.
Oh, it says, wow, it says BMW.
Well, it's got a sticker.
Yeah, it's got a sticker.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's all we needed.
That's it.
Pay premium.
Okay, so new gasket.
New gasket. And I'm gonna try and put it back in. Get this over with.
Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, just random installations and
Shop fun.
shop fun, some package of cars. Or do you want to see more Focus builds? There's gonna be more stuff like the Supra and the Eclipse, but we are waiting for cars to come back.
Until
They've
then,
been months and months in the waiting.
until then, the BMWs will break.
The BMWs will continue to break and continue to do things. I've never met someone who's actually running out of fuel more than this man.
And now I'm on electric only as my daily. This is not my daily. So the electric only is 34,000 kilometers. Haven't run out of charge.
I would hope not.
So
Almost. Let's be honest, almost.
yeah, we got close a couple times. Nothing to write home about though. There you go.
So just trying to spit it until it gets in there.
Yeah. And then now, gotta try to reach all the connectors and the crossovers and everything like that, which is almost impossible to get to now that this pump is in. Okay guys, what we're doing is there's one electrical connector that I don't want to get caught in the float, so I'm just gonna zip tie it up.
And that was the black connector.
Black connector, yeah. Seeing that this fuel tank does look quite low, knowing that it's a quarter tank split between the two sides, I'm going to have the driver of this vehicle maintain at least a half tank of fuel, which acts as the cooling of this fuel pump, which I believe is the cause of this overheating the wires, causing our fuel pump failures. So,
Is that real? Or are you just making this up?
no, no, that is a fact. I thought a quarter was safe, but I am now moving the minimum up to half tank, unless it was a combination with the faulty wiring from someone else's, bit of a hack repair, which was not me.
More than
But
your hack.
more than my hack, yeah.
So in the comments, if he's full of BS, let us know, please.
Yeah. If anyone
It
knows,
comes up sometimes.
if anyone knows more, if anyone knows more about this stuff than me, please chime in, call me out. But I'm pretty confident in what I just explained. I worked today, so I was able to order it right on the spot, have it delivered to my house today while I was working, and now we're able to put it in on Friday night. So
What was this called on Amazon?
this is a fuel pump.
Do you remember the manufacturer?
No.
Maybe leave a comment below if you really want manufacturer.
But it seems to be great quality though.
It looks the same.
Yeah.
As long as the pump is the same quality. It's nice it's a full assembly though.
Right. Terrible design how this works.
Connector rebuilt. Gonna put the end cap on. But looks okay. This is the job that honey, I'll be back in 30 minutes. 3 hours later.
Yeah. I did say 2 to 3 hours, I guesstimated, but this ran into some wiring issues.
You also didn't think you'd have a burnt wiring harness either.
No. But I'm sort of glad there was something to it.
Mm-hmm.
Rather than just tight. It does look good.
Caps back on. Gonna lay the carpet back flat. Put the seat on. Just clips in, and that'll be a wrap. Fuel pump's done in the 2007 X5. That's a wrap for tonight. At least one of the 3 now runs. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for joining.